bro. No way. Oh my gosh, can I get in? Oh my god. Are you serious? Oh my god, you gotta be careful. Wow, this is so nice. Oh my gosh, yes. Yeah, they bit hard. L2 one. Got that bit with the ZL one. He ain't even got no racing tires on that bitch. Fuck. God damn. I remember being in the city, goddamn, ducking GSP in that supercharged bitch. Fuck wrong with the nigga? Let me see what's going on inside. You got 10, I can't even see in that bitch. Nigga, we on to the next. Yeah, it be hard, man. Shit. Remember the one I stole? Yeah, the blue one. Yeah, oh god. Let me see if I can. Oh, they be open? Crazy, man. Hold on. I really stood it right now.